Welcome to UKey Wallet. In this video, you'll learn how to import your wallet on UKey Wallet app using UKey Seed Ti. First, tap Create Wallet, then select Create or Import Wallet. Select Import Wallet to continue. Next, select UKey Seed Ti as your import method. There are two options: import with or without a serial number. Select the same option you used when you originally backed up your recovery phrase to the titanium plate. First, let's import without using a serial number. Select Protection Not Enabled. Then enter the codes from your UKey Seed Ti in their original order. You can select the length of your recovery phrase, 12, 18, or 24 words, from the top left corner of the screen. Then, create and confirm a 6-digit passcode for your app. You can also enable passcode protection, which automatically resets the app after 10 consecutive failed attempts. For the second option, importing with a serial number, select Unlock Protection with Serial Number. Then enter the serial number from your UKey Seed Ti. Next, enter the codes in the same order as they are recorded on the titanium plate. Tap Confirm. Also set a passcode to complete the import process. Your wallet will be successfully imported. With UKey Seed Ti, you can easily restore your wallet without exposing the full words of your recovery phrase. Stored offline on a durable titanium plate, your recovery phrase stays secure, protected, and built to last.